Remember this research nightmare? Endless scrolling on Google Scholar, drowning in tabs, hitting paywall after paywall. So, back when I was grinding through research, Google Scholar was my trusty sidekick. Yeah, Google Scholar was the go-to. Okay, type pneumonia detection using deep learning. Hit search, and boom, papers galore. Cross your fingers and sift through, well, everything. It felt productive, right? Wrong. It's like trying to build a spaceship with stone tools. But honestly, you waste hours chasing PDFs, deciphering dense abstracts, often missing the actual breakthroughs. We're talking 10 plus hours a week down the drain for the average student. Deadlines loom, burnout hits, and your brilliant ideas get buried. That's like using dial-up in a 5G world. You scroll through paywalls, chase down PDFs, skim abstracts, and still miss the gold nuggets. But what if I told you there's a research sidekick that slashes your study time by half? Meet Consensus AI, your new research co-pilot. You ask a question like, does intermittent fasting improve metabolic health? And it doesn't just give you links. It reads, analyzes, synthesizes, and surfaces evidence-based answers. It's a neural network trained on millions of papers. You give it a query. It reads, ranks, and summarizes results. Think of it. Instead of 50 browser tabs and a prayer, you get distilled insights from the actual research. It's your shortcut to the core findings. Tired of slogging through dense abstracts? Consensus AI auto-generates bullet point takeaways in seconds. Key findings, methodology snapshot, confidence score. Read less, know more. It's like speed reading with all credit in your pocket. You get the big picture in a glance. Research papers love hiding tiny samples or industry funding. Ever begged your library for access? Kiss that goodbye. Consensus AI hunts down open access versions automatically. Your lead review stays bulletproof. No library login required. Paste your topic into the browser extension. Export your summaries and citations straight to Notion, APA, MLA, Chicago. So 2010. Consensus AI spits out perfect citations complete with hyperlinks and DOIs. Citation stress, one-click routine. MIT and Stanford are already mandating Consensus AI for grad students. Listen, the research landscape is evolving fast. Top researchers and students at leading institutions are already adopting tools like Consensus AI to gain an edge. Google Scholar isn't going away tomorrow, but relying only on it is like sticking with horse-drawn carriages when bullet trains exist. Get ahead of the curve before your syllabus catches up. If you're still chaining yourself to Google Scholar, you're choosing busy work over breakthroughs. Consensus AI isn't optional. It's the only way to stay competitive in 2025 and beyond. Seriously, give it a try for your next project. See how much faster you get to the core findings. Let me know in the comments how it works for you. And hey, if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more efficiency hacks, and ring that notification bell. Catch you in the next video. Research smarter, not harder.